What's up, guys? Welcome back. Continuing with the Five Nights at Freddy's 2 characters. Toy Bonnie. I did Withered Bonnie, I think, last week. So let's do toy version. Landscape page. This is probably work portrait as well. I just do it landscape because YouTube screen is landscape. Fit more in. I'm going to start with the nose because it's kind of like a circle. So just this curved line. Like that. And it comes down the middle. Like so. Then the snout comes out from here. And then we bring it back in. In a sort of a bunny shape. And there's a line down the middle. And 3 dots either side. It's kind of like for whiskers. You could do these black actually as well if you wanted to. And the nose kind of has a shine on it, so I'll leave that. You can color that black as well, but I want to do a little shiny line on it. Eyes. So we'll go up and around. So this will be sort of the big inside part of the eye. And then there's an eyelid going around there. Do the same thing on the other side. Bring it in a bit. And then a big eyelid. So green, big green eyes, I think. Circles in the middle. We'll color them black. And there's an eyelid line here. And then big eyelashes. So Bonnie has like a white line around the eyes and eyebrows. So say like the eyebrows are kind of here, kind of square looking sort of eyebrows. Like so. And then there's this sort of white outline around the eye. Right, and then there's a big pink cheek. either side. And then teeth at the front. 2 bunny teeth first. And then we have the bottom jaw. So it kind of comes down either side of the snout. And then it comes around like so. And around for the chin. And it's got a white lip. Like that. And then teeth all inside. So again, kind of like just big white teeth. And kind of one going this way then. So the face shape, so big cheeks. So very big cheeks coming around this pink part here. And then these come up the side and around the head. So they go up first. And then around the top of the head. Then we got the bunny ears. So like large bunny ears. One like that, and there's like a connector inside there. And the ears are kind of bent over in this. So we'll do like just the sides first. And then there's like another section, so it kind of like curves around here. And then sort of around the top here as well. I think this one should be out a bit more actually. A bit more round on that side. I flattened it a bit. And then there's the inside pink parts. So one here. And then one in here. And it's kind of like a little 3D sort of edge line to them. Kind of like I'll erase that line actually, it's annoying me. I went too skinny with his ears. Just fix it and make it a bit clearer for you. Bum, bum, bum. So that comes down that way, and then we'll bring this down. Okay. A bit of mistake there. We all make mistakes. And then this comes down the sides, the pink part on the inside, little pink inner ear section. And that's the head. So, body. So we can see a bow tie, a little circle in the middle here, and then the bow tie parts come out, and then bow tie parts come out this way, and then the body just comes down kind of wide at the bottom, and then a white belly. You see a little bit of the body like in the top here, sort of coming out the neck. And then just arms. So little sort of round shoulders. And then like these sort of little cylinders for arms. And that's it, Toy Bonnie. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.